How to send video from gallery as streak on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open Snapchat. Scroll over to the filter and then you'll see this microscope icon at the bottom. So click on that and the Explore page will open up. At the search bar, go ahead and type video upload. You can select any of the filter here. I'm just going to click on the first one. So over here, you'll be able to select your video by sliding over and then selecting the video. If it's not available here, click on the plus sign and you can browse your gallery. To start recording your video, click on the circle icon. Hold it down for as long as you want to record your video, and then you can click on next to send it to the people that you want, and it will be sent as a snap and not a chat. So this is how to send video from gallery as streak on Snapchat. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.